Hey guys, this is Little Jimmy 549. So now I'm gonna stack, like, now put in pieces. So, yep. I'm gonna start stacking pieces. Oh no. No. Take your pieces off that you stacked. Then you put like this, get this glass. Then you put it like that. So now you start stacking. Cause well, I like did that, so just do this. So start stacking it. It's looking good. So, whoever been judging? I never did. Like these pieces of wolf. Yep. I should have done more. Oh, yeah, okay, got it. So I'm gonna take this chip piece off, and I got a full piece. So I put it on. So there we go. Now we're gonna have to put another stack. Yep. I'm gonna just put stacks like yep. So I'm gonna get that done. So get that done. Oh, so fast. Okay, so come on in, get down. Whatever. So, yep. I'm gonna try to get it. Well, part 2, part 4, I'm getting that, and put the wolf, get everything like that. So, bye.